Hi friends, welcome to your first ELA lesson online. We're just going to go over a couple sounds today, okay? So this first letter is an S. S says S. That's right, S says S. So we hear that S sound in words like snake or soda or super, okay? S says S. Our next one we're going to do is an R. And what does R say? R says okay? Like rabbit or raccoon, okay? Or read. R says Good job. This next letter is a T. T says T, right? T says T, like turtle or Tessa or tank, okay? T says T. And the last sound we're going to practice today is an M. M says okay? M says like monkey or mom or magic. M says Okay, nice listening, friends. So I'm going to have you do a couple activities on Seesaw. You're going to practice those beginning sounds. I want you to look at the pictures and circle the words with those beginning sounds, okay? Then there's another activity. You're going to read a really short story. Maybe somebody at home can help. And then you're going to just answer some quick questions about that story, okay? Great job. I can't wait to see all that work. Have a great day.